One day is not nearly enough time to see all of London. But if you're up for a full-day walk across some of London's most iconic spots and beautiful parks, with just enough time to question your life choices about halfway through, this route is for you.
We start at Borough Market. Fuel up, you'll need it. Coffee, sandwich, pastry, or all three. There's no judgment, just carbs.
From there, head west along the Thames Path. It's one of the best stretches of river walking in the city. First stop, Shakespeare Globe, a nice reminder that culture existed long before Instagram.
Stick to the river and pass Gabriel's Pier, a quiet little spot before you hit the London Eye. Great views of the water and the perfect place to reconsider walking the next 8+ miles.
Cross Westminster Bridge, where you'll see Big Ben, the Parliament buildings, and a few thousand tourists who had the same idea as you.
Head down Broad Sanctuary, continue onto Tothill Street, then make a left on Queen Anne's Gate, which leads you right into St. James Park.
Take your time here. It's genuinely beautiful, especially around the lake. Then walk toward Buckingham Palace, where the guards won't wave no matter how friendly you are. Head up Constitution Hill into Hyde Park. Another great spot to take a break, stretch, or wonder why you didn't just take the tube. By now, you're probably regretting not wearing layers.
From Marble Arch, walk east to Baker Street, which brings you directly to the Sherlock Holmes Museum at 221B Baker Street.
From the Sherlock Holmes Museum, head into Regent's Park. Exit via Regent's Canal towpath and follow it all the way to Camden Market. Things get louder here. Music, vintage clothes, street food, and just the right amount of chaos. Stay on the canal path a little longer and head toward Primrose Hill. Just before the climb, you'll pass Trafalgar Square, a quiet pocket lined with pastel-colored Victorian townhouses that make you wonder if you took a wrong turn into a painting.
It's a long walk, yes, but it's also a quiet masterclass in London's layers. Rivers, parks, palaces, markets, canals, and more than a few good spots to sit and pretend your legs don't hurt. And when it's all done, hop on a double-decker bus back toward the Thames, find a good table at a riverside pub, and reward yourself for all those steps with a well-earned pint. If you would like to follow the route shown in this video, we have it available to download for free in the description below. If you would like to visit just the highlights of London, we have the ultimate one-day London walking route map available to download for free in the description below as well.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.